Gendarme people them for that side for Bonandale, they don't catch on one boy where he dey so he dey for inside group for 5, where they chop soya for some 14-year-old Gondere for that side so from Bonandale. Sabi say that quarter na place where they for inside Douala 4. Inside Toritu for this afternoon, we go talk for Nasaratin. New aeroplane, it don't enter for company for aeroplane for inside country. This one, it be then a big glad as well the new aeroplane, it enter for country. Palava for big day, where it come to for a Sunday, number 20 day for inside this moon. We go talk that palava in the proper, we go turn back for Bonaberi, we go play that interview them for people that will meet up for Bonaberi, then we go tell you now how we combo sesef ide since for Monday, sabi say na country Sunday, it happen for Kumbu side for Northwest region. Then if luck imito with you, we go show now as well for that side so from Bengui under Momo division. It be then a palava for Waka for peace, Waka away, it then a for Glad Ngando for 20 May. We go here as well even big man SDO for Momo division. Oga Absalom says he go knock Tori with we this afternoon. Newspaper then says they get their own Tori for talk. Big part talk for this afternoon. It tell we say waiting. Say you no fit play with the feather for foul anyhow. Yes. You fit play with the feather for foul anyhow. But when he go for on top chief a cap, you no fit play with them again. You fit play with the feather for foul anyhow. But when he go on top chief he hit, you no fit ever touch him. Sango Tikumusu Kasa Ashale for that side so for land for legendary hospitality. Boya, now he say we big part up for today for finish the week. At the turn back small time. Good afternoon. We're glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox Story House. Strong number them as one I don't hear them. Palava 20 May na Sunday inofa. But before we enter for 20 May, make we enter for inside quarter then small. We here to read the way the pass. First place we go land na for that side where they call and say Bonandale. Yes. We go enter for Bonandale and we no go turn for quarter. We go straight for inside gendarmerie office for that side so for Bonandale country people them. Now for day where it is so gendarme peoples they put hand for who? I say they put hand for some boy. This boy he do waiting. This boy na boy where he chop soya. Yes, now so for outside gendarme plaza for that side for Bonandale country people them. Gendarme place. Gendarme people them say they be turn for outside. This gendarme then where they work for day. Now waiting a pass. Now people then that they don't can write report. They say on their sister for 14 years. They chop isoya sote time no day. 5 boy them. They chop their sister isoya sote time in no day. But last. Gendarme people they tonton sote. They put hand for one of the boy them. Yes. They put hand for one of the boy them. Neither inside and that now the boy that where they put on for you una no fit see face so una no even worry we no fit show on the face now that where it is so a chop soya it be inside the 5 boy them where chop soya for 14-year-old Gondere. Who side then Gondere says a day we go try for talk this palava then Gondere says na that una sabi so no fit show na dan Gondere face 14-year pikin for college where 5 boy they chop soya sote they be the plan say for throwing for inside water but lucky be they say they can meet up am so last they catch one so gendarme people then say when na commandant say for inside that Bonandale brigade where they call it say Ko Felix Nai and Ilamboy them they make investigate sote they catch the boy them one of the boy out of the 5 boy them where it is so they chop soya for this Ngondere. Yes, this Ngondere they so now 14 years college pikin where 5 boy them they chop isoya sote time in no day. They be even plan say for killing tray and for inside water but as well they hear sound they run come out. investigate, e make am sotey they catch one of the boy dem inside fight. So the big commander ancestor for that side, so for brigade, where they call it say Quo Bilem, yes, Quo Bilem, in Quo Felix, sorry, na that Oga Felix, commandant for brigade. Now all them so they join hand, work sotey so they catch one out of the 5 boy where they chop soya for that Ngondere for 14 years. So now so they dis also make investigate for see as well they go catch the remaining 4 boy them. This palava it happen now for place where they call am say waiting for place where they call am say Bonandale. It dey for inside Douala 4. It means say na for that side for Bonaberi where this place it dey. We go left chapter for that one before we take on enter for the number 2 chapter. We'll get them for this afternoon when a palava aeroplane we don't enter for country. Sabi say inside the palava ebide na bibi glad for company for Cameroon. Yes, now we own country say where they glad say they don't get number 2 aeroplane. See the aeroplane. Now the aeroplane that be the cam. Fine aeroplane. But some people, when they look at it, they say, do one self, 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 do one self. They do one self now waiting. Now they aeroplane that where it make plenty people them. They come for cancer new aeroplane where it don't enter for inside with company when then they look out palava aeroplane. So we say all company, all country them, they get their own company for aeroplane. So our own company too for aeroplane, it don't get its own aeroplane. So it come for can show people then say make the can see them. Now the aeroplane that way don't land. It means say a good thing, no? It means say we only hope say when people they want go waka, they no go touch the aeroplane. They now the 4 people them. Pilot number 1, that fat man so now then go carry this aeroplane. Bring am, yes. Now the head boy this where he drive the aeroplane say he bring am right for town. So now the new aeroplane that for country where they glad am. D1 they call and say waiting this aeroplane he get own name. No be na Boeing or no be na wait he get na Bombardier. Yes, in own name na Bombardier. Now the name that for this aeroplane where he enter for country. So on I go talk say ambassador. You go show you now only outside plane, we don't see am. How the inside plane e dey, e don't old or it so look penya. Nadimo could enter for inside the aeroplane itself. More show people then say will be enter for inside aeroplane. Yes, more could jump for this side. We enter for number 2 1. Yes, we enter for the other number 2 side for talk for people then say this so this aeroplane where they see am. No be na only for outside they go see am as we dey. Yes, no be na only for outside. Make we enter for inside the aeroplane itself. Now star for Cameroon. Yes, now star for Cameroon. Bombardier. Now the name that for the aeroplane. Now you don't see am no. Bombardier. Now the name that for the aeroplane. No na Boeing or anything. Cure 400 next generation. In an inside aeroplane that you see inside aeroplane itself. See how it here the day. Soft. You should don't for on top say sleep go just catch you one time. Yes, you should don't on top. Now place that they keep back them. When I go ask and say ambassador, you be there inside, you don't enter plane. I don't enter. If you the jealousy you want. So now the other small meeting than that for inside aeroplane. They open and off for show say me ambassador see am. No be na say with the social Congo standard the aeroplane that see how driver people they should don't. Well for plane they call them say pilot. You understand? See now they all their button that for sure say aeroplane e come na penya no be even self say na second hand two way they buy am. No na second hand. Come on say for outside for aeroplane. We say make we check under the tire whether this tire them for aeroplane na new tire them. You see no na tire way e never old, e never box. All thing they fine. Sabi say if you for don't bust for sure. Yes, if the tire for don't bust or some crash the day. For sure. So Bombardier, now the new aeroplane that way don't enter for inside country now. So maybe small time aeroplane to go the land from a village for Nyaso. So if airport they airport no day. So I don't say they no go ever land for that side. Tiko say we get airport road no day we go come on airport you enter for town. So the aeroplane for inside all thing the show say na penya aeroplane place where they put your cargo the M way enter for inside the place. I will say first plenty cargo no fit enter for this so all the cargo they don't fit enter for under. Then the other small place the way it dey for inside aeroplane they open now all place so for sure ambassador say see our own eye. See how we pilot they say they should do all thing they penya can't pay. It means say no nothing. It never crash for this. So now the thing that we will see as we enter for inside you that new aeroplane way, it don't come for inside country. Organ tone it be there for outside. I say waiting. Organ tone ngomna delegate for Douala City Council. It be there for outside for look work where it give for people then say me they do them. And the work na Kamamburu people then they do the work. Yes. Now organ tone that. big man for the work people them Oga Jackson says e be dey. He talk from Tone say see work it dey go small but na work this way they be don't get for the work get for finish na for the more end. But they don't talk say for sika this one, for sika waiting. The work it go only finish na they go give the work from governor delegate na next month. Na him say na number 6 month. But organ governor delegate sabi say governor man no dey ever talk say no work never dey fine. You know ever talk say no. He said it like as way the work. They did road na road way dey for that side for Aqua no for people they dey for inside Douala they sabi the road fine. So dirty way dey too for day na bibi palava. Oga Tone the sell the tell every day say dirty a day for your town. And you say you don't enter for go look your road there. You see as we see dirty for all corner. When they ask and say Pan Tone why the kind of dirty fit turn up for this so? Pan Tone talk say now for sika say people them for Douala they no want be Douala they no want civilize. They want no they always also go now for back. They no want civilize. Say no man dirty no go for be. So now all the road and this for Aqua no where it is so Oga Tone. When an governor delegates, he go ton for Siambe. Sabi say waiting. Late, it don't be for the work. For Sika say the work, he get for finish for this May month. You understand? This number 5 month, anyway, all the work so, he be get for finish. But, as well Sabi, complain for this side. They say the work, it go finish for number 6 month. Now only for she don't quiet. For stay see whether the work, it go finish. Sabi say sometimes they be when the work say get for work, people they know the work. Place they just left place on time. It dey like say no nothing know they happen for the place. Sometimes when they hear say person they come, budu, they make something for certain no work they go for before. So now Cameroon, we understand. So they don't talk say they go give the road for Aqua no for inside Douala here. Now for number 6 month. No be na for the moon again. Normal na the moon where they go for Giam for number 31 day. But the road they go Giam na only next moon where it be na number 6 month for inside country. And na Kamamburu side where they fix road. Now they say they work this road for that side so for Aqua no. So all that people they see them they work so. Now Kamamburu people them. If you try touch them, they go show you pepper. Yes, they go show you pepper. They know they even laugh for myself. Now so then they dey for this. So now walk that way they so Oga Tone he go do am for that side so for Aqua no. We go left Palava for all this quarter museum. We left Palava for the quarter museum. We could enter now so for inside Palava for number 20 day for inside this moon. Yes, number 20 day for inside this moon. Inside Douala Sesep, they say charity must start for house. Bonaberry, we land for that side. Sabi say for Bonaberry, people the way they come out for east, they did. One way they come out for south, they did. One way they come out for Adamawa, they did. One way they come out for far north, they did. One way they come out for north, they did. Southwest, they did. Northwest, they did. Center, they did. All people they did for inside Bonaberry. So we try for Tonton for inside town for see whether true. Peace is there for inside town, and this big day where they call 20th May, all man is glad for meet up that day, and whether unity says to unity day. So now work that will go Tonton, no man as well we moto be the Tonton like say no get work for do. We go Tonton so just for see place, so that we fit even talk with some people then for that side for ask them whether true. This national unity, no man know the talk say no day, but for them, for outside day, they feel say the national unity day. Now the big question that we go ask people them for that side Bonaberry. As well I talk, Bonaberry carry all kind population, all Cameroon people them they day for day. So now for why that way we be go Tonton for inside Bonaberry. Plenty thing they day beds, small kind thing they all thing they day for that side. Big market them for that side for Bonaberry, and so Cameroon people them they sell for inside. Now after where we make Tonton for inside market, Repe tell we national unity for country, yes or no? Repeat talk.
Mix like the Francophone married Anglophone, Yaoundé man married Bamileke, or Bamenda man married Douala. Cameroon get unity. The unity is still there. Many people don't mix like the Francophone married Anglophone, Yaoundé man married Bamileke, or Bamenda man married Douala.
Very good. Repe unity day. Reme, how for you?
We not be united now. We not be united. You know the years they kill brother them for Northwest, Southwest. We will be united like they know they kill them so no. We not be united.
Well, now Reme on that. So, Reme, before I leave you, tell me, now when you say una no be united, what is the one main governor do?
May they arrange her. Make country be fine. May they stop all that thing, make country day as people day before. When they fix them, maybe all country go day fine. All man go laugh now.
So, you even get a small solution for hand. Sabi say inside the chapter where we declare big day, where they get for glad and for Sunday. Yes, for the whole country. For that side, for Bamenda, people the day where they don't run come up for different sides. Today we get a case they will go show now. First, now this small pikin will enter for inside the video for start talk this palaver. This small pikin. This pikin na pikin for Manfe, he no sabi papa, he no sabi say mami dey, he no sabi say papa dey. If he get relative dey, he no sabi am. Innocent pikin. As well this thing dey happen, this one bua. Pikin too, he no sabi na chairman for some church. For that side for Manfe, he take pikin, he give am for the mami wey wear am red. Say mami wrong with the pikin. Mami too, as well he get people that Bamenda. Come on Manfe, he marry na Manfe man. He wrong come up for Manfe, he come for Bamenda. So he dey look at the pikin. He no sabi as way this pikin, whether the mami de deo or uncle deo or sister deo. Now one of the pikin this where it is suffer for inside this palaver, and almost all of the pikin them as well they see them. Some of them the day way them too they hide na height for seeker this palaver way it dey happen. Another person too way is suffer for inside this apart from this small pikin. Now who? Now this mami way he just born pikin. Yes. Now this mami will enter. Now the company now mami this. Mami pikin waiting. Mami pikin run comot for Batibo with a long belle for 9 months. Atubu we gone the hala. He come for that side of Bamenda. Now for the way go born for Sawe she don't now so. So mami say he hear back. So all the pikin then they sweep they do all things so they no sabi as way tomorrow go they see fine pikin. Fine pikin they for born for Batibo he get better air for Batibo. They can born in for aside. Do you want to? He no sabi sawe mami day, papa day. The only picking as way people they run for Manfe. So now some of the kind thing than this where it is so it don't worry people them. Since this week it starts, I say waiting. Since this week it starts for Combo, Northwest, Country Sunday. I say waiting. Country Sunday. Binet the show head at all. I say waiting. Binet the show head for that side. At all, make we enter for inside Kumbo for that side for Northwest. Country people them, as well you see people them normal. According to way driver put the terry, Bine no the waka. Now Country Sunday way all man he don't talk say he go be there sote. See now then this now place where they ever she done. No man he know they can't enter. Even people they say where they may be net. They say Country Sunday. No man he know they come up for outside for can't talk say. The one it go happen, the one no go happen. They say they don't talk for them. Say maybe not day. They no one see no Okada man and all that thing. So they number 21 day for the moon. Even people they say they make a moto. People they said all they don't run. Now be put their place in that way all place in lock. For Sika say they don't tell they say Country Sunday and Country Sunday they hold the week so they after 20 May according to way we hear for that side so for Combo. But Sabi said they put them for Combo as well they do other one so they do other one so other sides it they happen thing that they happen. Yes, Combo side they don't talk say Country Sunday and respect it they see Bine moto them other moto they na clano them but no one know the worker. Okada people they say they come also make they can't see whether they fit get some small money for go buy sharp sand for chop. No, not into the social worker. So for Combo side, they know the lap. They know the lap at all. They say Country Sunday. Country Sunday. Now the thing that way is the pass day. So I know sabi whether Nadine we don't get a thing them from Bengui that wakam where he pass for this early morning time for that side of Bengui. Now just for to say as we Combo people them, as we people on the fast side for Combo, it is so that is also respect Commander Country Sunday, even inside market itself. I say inside market, business people that they can't lock that. So one day they open up now with a cutting hat. It means that the hat it make pum for inside. So all that people there, so for that side, na fear market o business no day. Road, Okada people they wait people that can enter. Where day. Now the picture that where we see them for Combo for now this afternoon. As well the wait for glad big day for National Day where they come on Sunday. Maybe we go take una go for Bengui and no sabi whether that one it don't come this early morning time. It be the peaceful waka and it be been a waka for make peace for that side. So for Bengui, it be then a one way they declared number 20 day for this moon. And Oga SDO sesep, Oga Absalom sesep, no, it be they see no Oga SDO neither they would that red Cameroon trim for middle. You understand? After they do the waka, so they be get some their small thing the way they be get. You understand? Small thing the way they be get and for that side. All the thing it be then a palaver for big day for inside 20th May. So we go here with way SDO he talk.
Come out today for celebrate the beginning of the celebration of the 46th anniversary of our National Day celebration. We don't come out all we, man, woman, picking them for march, for show say we day one, we in unity. Say picking them for Ngi, picking them for Njikwa, the people for Batibo, the people for Widiku, and the people from Bengui. All now one person. And all of us where we come for form Momo division will be part of this great country called Cameroon. And as we celebrate, we will call on every mamidem, all the papa them for all the corners where they be, for join the general Cameroon population to celebrate this very important day.
Yes, so country people them another Toriwe or another question we'll ask Oga SDO for that side. So for Momo division Oga Absalom when boostel SSF he asked that question. Now say waiting inside this palaver where they declared big day. Which kind of Tron talk Iwangia for outside for people them for inside Momo division? We get a second interview for that side, interview number 2, where Ideso will be meet up with Oga SDO for that side, the strong talk, where the game for population for that side for Momo division.
Say we don't get a lot of difficulties, where we don't, some people don't threaten others and make them not do what to be their civic responsibilities. But we want to tell them, say, God be with us, because now God create this great nation Cameroon. Now God put all of us together as picking them for this beautiful country. And the government too, they don't take all measures for say we'll celebrate this day in peace.
Now, Sabi say one of the strong things where they happen for inside country now this palaver where they happen for Norwest and Southwest will be try for us Oga SDO. Sabi say this question no fit ever run for any big money mob for that side, so for Norwest or Southwest. We be try for Axi, say waiting, we be try for Axi say for inside this palaver, waiting they do. Make we hear.
Don't look into these problems. There is no country, there is no family we no ever get problem. And because countries and communities that will get problem, now the thing that will get government, and the thing that will get leaders, so that they will look into this problem. We will not say even the big democracies, as we used to call, they still get challenges. And that's why each leader will come each year will just say, me, I go do so. Even though they don't overdevelop, even though they don't get correct democracy as we talk, but they still get problems. And that's why leaders they can campaign for to say, I go do this, I go do this. It's not different from Cameroon. And so we don't feel things say all we are problem will be solved all for one day. Because if we solve all for one day, it means there is no reason for.
So now, guys, you that, and big thank you for you, Stella, for that side. So for Norwest, for that sport worker, where it happened for that side. So for Bamenda this morning time, for side from Bengui, he then for under Momo division. Maybe we'll go turn back for this more. We see as we SDO ABD takes some more trake and some more wax. Today, with the tori where we comb them for newspaper, then talk today make we enter for the post weekend away day for outside country people them. The post weekend away it day for outside. It get tori for Nyana for we this afternoon. Inside the trunk number for the post weekend waiting we get for talk for inside the post weekend where it day for outside for this weekend. We get for talk inside this palaver. For newspapers, Sabi say themselves they get their own tori, but Sabi say all the newspaper they talk palaver for Norways and palaver too for that side of Saways. The post weekend editor is waiting, police commissioner and 2 other soldiers them they sleep straight for that side for Oshi after we plenty gun Ihala. Inside the post weekend too, you go read some tori where the editor is waiting. Letter where other senator the way they so they be the joint 2 posts. They be right and left say it they so they no go she down for that to check them. They say that letter it don't disappear. How the letter it take disappear now the big question that where people themselves they know the people understand. Now so too pastor themselves or inside place they like Norway Saways, they don't go for by force pension. For seekers waiting, their own people themselves where they can church. All man he don't run enter Sosongo for seeker this palaver for Norwest and Southwest. Inside the post weekend too, you feel read other to read them where they did for outside. Make we take on for the info newspaper where it did too for outside. Country people them inside the info when 1,000 people then say they did like subscriber them. They detail is everything. Palaver for Norwest and Southwest. Big man for Kamamburu people them. He don't knock on for table. He say all people there they want bring confusion. For number 20 day for inside this moon, they go wear now 1 foot trustees with them. So for inside the same chapter for Norwest and Southwest, the info it tell we Palava village where it make crime after we on their chief they kill him according to the info. Now Kamamburu peoples they shoot their chief for that side. So for the info you feel read story for Palava University game where he finish for that side. So for Marwa now they win plenty and now then too they come back for house with their tea inside their 2 food them. All that to read them plus other one the info with them a carry and all. Now the last one that for inside this week, country people them this week a waka fine for Sikase will be get help hand all my item for different sides to be helping. We want to say big thank you for Davidson Maimo for Limbe, Jato Derek for Boyam, Ogalai for Kumba. Big thank you too for Mbu Stella and Ginny Edmond for that side so for Bamenda. Jacquino Molom, you did for Sawi, they call him say Loom, and of course you cover Coupe Maniguba, Cyril Jemba Sesep, he did for Sawi from Konsamba for Melon. I want to say big thank you too for Ash Tese, where Inowell, with the social talk big Asha, for Ash Tese, where also did for Sibed. Thank you to Chief Robert Mukube, my eye for that side for Bonaberry, and even you, Steve Ebule. And make una service for this side, we'll begin to do, we be the LFC meeting the go outside. And the Iron Lady for back, Nadine, he don't turn back. Make una all and tight, una service Saturday, PG News Debate, 12:30, 1:30. We go see.